my channel Mad Girl, and I'm Disha Sapra welcoming you. So today I am showing you guys my Sarojini Nagar haul. So with Sarojini Nagar haul, I'll also add some tips and tricks to bargain there and to shop from Sarojini Nagar. So let's get started. Because haul is a big one, because not that the short much, but I have to talk much. So I'll start with clothing first, and in clothing I'll show you my this really nice top. This top is this one. It has a really cute whitish kind of color and sequential detailing on shoulders, and this top is from Only. See, this kind of things you get from Sarojini Nagar if you search. It has like ripped off ends, ripped off bottom also, see. And but the thing is that it was just for 150 rupees, guys. Just for 150 rupees for this beautiful top. And the thing there is, guys, that you have to search a little bit much, because like this was of Only brand. And my first tip would be to you guys is, if you got a brand tee or something like that, just check it out a little bit more, cause a brand tee is always there because it has some defect. They buy it from brands which are rejected from their stuffs, but it may have a bigger defect or it may have a little defect. Like it must be in this top, it must be like here in sequence there must be some defect, or here, but it's invisible. So you have to see that defect is always there, but you have to see that the defect should be invisible. So that's for it. I will show you another top. This top I bought for my mom. This is really cute navy blue colored top. It's written here perfect, and here at the bottom it's written imperfectly perfect. So that's awesome. I love this top for that. And this was just for 200, guys. And this is this top. If you wanna see it, it's not that long, but it's a short top. And next thing is that, now next tip for you guys is that stuff there, if you're buying tees or any kind of clothes, it should not be more than 200, except from some tops. Okay, it will always be for 150 or 200. Now I'll show you my another top. Now this is kind of broad neck tee. See, a really broad neck tee, and I wear it as a one-off shoulder top like this. One-off shoulder top. It looks really cute and really chic, and this was just for this was just for 200 rupees, guys. It is a really loose one and it looks really awesome. I will try and add a pic, but I don't think I have a pic in this. I mean, I must have a half of one. I'll try, but sure. So next thing is my favorite one. Now this is quite a long kind of kurta kind of thing in the t-shirt material only. It's really stretchable and really stretchable. Ouch, I just dropped it. So it's really stretchable material, but it's very, very long. See, really long and really cute. It looks awesome on me, guys. And this can be worn with shorts also. It has like cuts here on both the ends, like here. So it can be worn with white colored shorts. It looks so cool, and it can also be worn with a white jeans. That will look awesome, guys. I wear it with a white jeans and a neck piece on it. I think I wore it in my first video, my intro video. Yeah, I wore it with a statement neck piece. That will look awesome, and that looks classy also. My one piece, my off-shoulder obsession now is coming. I'm so much loving this one piece, guys. This is awesome. Really awesome. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I got this navy blue kurta for just 200 rupees. Now I'm coming on to this one piece. This cute one piece. See, you go from down to up. Now you got my one piece. Yeah, here. It's really pretty and I like that stringy thing. I mean, it looks so cute. It looks really awesome. And I will surely try to put a picture after this. But I don't know actually how to do it. I try. If I got an, I'll surely put. So this one piece was just for 200 rupees. So guys, you have to bargain a little much there. Bargaining is a trick there. See, what you have to say is आप actually आप अपने price पर बस अड़ जाओ. If you want it for 200, you'll get it for 200. I'm telling you. So it's awesome market. I'm telling you. Going to another off-shoulder top. That's why I said my off-shoulder obsession. So this is the other off-shoulder top. Now that was one piece and this is top. This is also my off-shoulder top. Really cute and really nice. It's not too long, it's a short one. And it looks really pretty on me. And this was just for 200, guys. Just for 200. I guess 200 or 250. I'm confused between that. So it was just for 200 or 250. And yeah, so some things you get for more than 200 there. But otherwise, if you're buying tops, it's not more than 200. You should quote price not more than 200. If they're saying 500, now quote 150, 100. Then only they'll give you for your price. So that's it for clothing. That was the clothing. And yeah, scarf list. The scarf I got from Sarojini Nagar, really cute, really heart printed scarf. It has these cute hearts on it and a really nice color. I love this pista color, by the way. See, it looks so cute on me. But my friend said that this color is not cool, don't buy. But it's okay, if it's not cool, I'll buy it because I like this color. And this was just for rupees 50. Just for 50, right? Okay guys, so that's it for my Sarojini Nagar haul part 1. Well, I have to segregate it into part 1 and part 2 because this was so long. I also had to tell you some tips and then I also had to show you my stuff, and so it was a bit long. So we'll meet next time in next part. In part 2. So that's it for my clothing. Now in next part I'll show you my accessories. So bye guys, lots of love, and please do subscribe to my video. Bye.